Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this pretty and beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby's blanket, ladies shawl, cardigan, sweater. This is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is 12 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6, 2 times 6 12 and plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. First purl 1 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the repeat. You will repeat this repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have done here all repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, purl 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. First knit 1 and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 1, knit 5. Your last 3 stitch, purl 1, knit 1 and edge stitch, bring that in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit edge row 1. So knit your edge stitch through the back loop first and purl 1 and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again knit 1, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, knit 1, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4, knit edge row 2. Slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1. After this knit 1, start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1 and knit 5. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 1, knit 1, edge stitch, bring that in front and slip on the wrong side. So we have done 4 rows here. Now we're gonna make this puff on this row. So row 5, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, we're gonna draw a loop from this this column 1 2 3 4. We're gonna draw a loop from here first, like so, and bring this yarn in front and leave this yarn in front like so, and we're gonna do this 4 times. We have done 1, draw loop, 2, bring that in front, 2, draw loop from the 3rd hole now, and draw bring that in front, 3, one more time, draw loop and bring that in front, and this stitch knit 1 and then purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here, these loops, and then purl 5. Repeat that again. Draw loop 1 2 3 4 from the 4th hole first, bring that in front, 1, draw loop from the 3rd hole, bring that in front, 2, draw loop from the 2nd hole, bring that in front, 3, draw loop from the first hole, bring that in front, 4, and then this stitch knit 1 and purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have done 2 repeats here, and a last 3 stitches again, 1 2 3 4, draw a loop from the 4th hole, bring that in front, 1, from the 3rd hole, bring that in front, 2, from the 2nd hole, bring that in front, 3, from the 1st hole, bring that in front, 4, and then 1 knit, and here purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, for row 6 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat, first knit 1 and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, we're gonna knit these 9 loops together, 9 stitches together. We have here 9 stitches, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These 9 stitches, purl all these 9 together, together, and then here knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, purl 9 together and then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5. One more repeat, purl 9 together, this 9 stitches together, and knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Last 9 plus 10 11, last 11 stitch, purl 9 together and knit 1, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. See, row 7, for row 7, now from row 7 we're gonna knit this pattern here in between of these two. So row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and then purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1 and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 2. Repeat that again. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1 and purl 2. In your last 3 stitch, purl 2 and edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, slip your edge stitch and knit 1. Start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then purl 1 and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 2. Sorry, that's the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 2. And last 3 stitch, knit 2, 1, 2 and edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 8, for row 8 knit edge row, row 9, for row 9 knit edge row 7. So knit your edge stitch through the back loop and first purl 1 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and then knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1 and purl 2, 1, 2. Last 3 stitch, purl 2 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10, knit edge row 8, slip your edge stitch and start the first knit 1 and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 2. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1 and knit 2. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch and in front and slip. Row 11, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1 and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and here draw a loop from the 4th hole and in front 1, draw a loop, bring that in front 2, draw a loop, bring that in front 3 and draw a loop, bring that in front 4 and then knit 1 and purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and these 9 stitch and purl 2. Again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, draw a loop, bring that in front 1, draw a loop, bring that in front 2, draw a loop, bring that in front 3, draw a loop, bring that in front 4 and then knit 1, purl 2. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side, knit on the right side. Row 12, last row, slip your edge stitch, knit 1 and now start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and in front purl 9 together, purl 9 together. And knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 9 together and knit 3. Again knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 9 together, knit 2. Sorry. And last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch and in front and slip. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.